The hands-on costume design workshop called Mass Making Magic from Vision to Costume will introduce participants to innovative design techniques including programmable lighting, atmospheric effects, mechanical movement, and responsive materials that interact with touch, sound, and light. The seminar began virtually on Monday, August 25, 2025, and will continue with an in-person segment from Thursday, September 4th to Tuesday, September 16th. Ramona Henry Wynn, the Executive Director of the Cultural Development Foundation, emphasizes that the workshop focuses on new ways to imagine and build carnival costumes.
We know culture is not static. It's ever evolving. But how do we move with those changes? How do we take what we know already and translate it to move with the times? And we have seen persons do that beautifully. This workshop is about strengthening that process, giving our designers, builders, and artists the tools to dream bigger, build stronger, and keep our traditions alive while evolving them.
Taiwanese master artist Chung, who is internationally renowned for her monumental lantern installation, is leading the workshop. It is hoped that participants will create costumes that are visually striking and technologically dynamic.
This is actually consecutively for so many years that we partner with the Cultural Development Foundation, the CDF, to bring our two cultures to meet and inspire one another. For our part, I'm very proud to introduce to you our facilitator from Taiwan, Zhuang Xianyu 老师. Master Zhuang is an accomplished artist and bring with her 20 years of experience in designing and making our traditional large-scale lantern.
The seminar represents the third installment of the Spotlight Taiwan project.
I noticed in recent times that the costumes have become larger, more sophisticated, of course, more attractive. But what is, for me, most important is that the persons carrying them seem to be under less stress and to be able to do more. And I think it's what we really want to happen. So I want to really thank our master trainer or facilitator, Shen Wei, who I immediately, as I met her this morning, the obvious things about her that tell you that she means business. And I really look forward to the way that the competencies, the knowledge, and the skills will be imparted to our facilitators. Facilitators, you're the most important people here today because you will be benefiting from that training and from that capacity building. And I'm hoping that we will be able to pass that on to our budding and new persons or young people in the costume design and costume making and other activities that enable us to be able to have a sustainable method of getting our creative expressions out there.
The costume design seminar will culminate in a public exhibition on Wednesday, September 17th. Some 20 participants, including representatives of national and community carnival groups, are enrolled. This initiative fosters creativity, cultural exchange, and innovation. The CDF encourages costume designers, performers, and creative enthusiasts to take advantage of this unique opportunity. Gina Filippi, HTS News Force.